Jacksonville tops the list when it comes to the fastest growth within the past week. As you can see, we've had 8,100 cases within the past 8 days. Now, there are 4 other Florida cities on the list as well. Now, taking a look at the numbers here in Florida, there are more than 169,000 confirmed cases in the state of Florida, bringing the overall positive percentage to 8.3. More than 15,000 are in the hospital and 3,600 have died. Well, taking a look county by county, more than 11,000 have tested positive for the coronavirus. In Duval County, there are 7,100 confirmed cases with 68 deaths. Our positive percentage is at 6.6%.